Hello guys, how are you? I hope you're all fine. Today I'm here to talk about silicon and EPDM prototypes. Ready in just 5 days. Eco's first silicon and EPDM prototyping can help you avoid a delayed product launch, enhance your testing, validation process, or even improve your line output. Test a part, fit, form, and functionality during your processes, without the months of back and forth and thousands of dollars in upfront tooling costs in regular overseas prototyping. EcoRobot prototype program pays for itself when you compare to time and money you will save. Start at testing production grade silicon or EPDM rubber prototype parts within first about 1 week compared to 8-10 weeks with an overseas manufacturer. Forget rare tariffs, port bottleneck, and increasing international shipping costs. Avoid a delayed product launch or line shutdown from an unexpected validation error. Shorten your validation processes to days instead of weeks or months. Get a rapid prototype code. Here you just put your name, company name, email, phone on, and just tap the button request code. Then you will be advantage of eco rapid prototyping program. In the past, podcasters looking to test out custom silicon masking designs would have to wait at least 6 weeks before having physical parts in hand to run through their powder coating line. Customers want to know if the design is the right size, if it's too tight, if the features are going to work, and other aspects to approve the final design before going into full production. This is a big deal, especially if changes need to be made and testing is required for a modified design. The key advantages of ECOS properties, rapid prototyping technology include receive parts in first week, made in house in Youngsbloin in parts in hand is later as 5 days after design approval IPO is received. 10x faster than traditional prototypes, test with full functionality, made with production grade silicon for testing during your finished processes. Test fit form and function to speed up the validation process. Avoid high costs, a fraction of the tools cost compared to regular aluminum prototype mold made in house to reduce expending costs. Zero versus traffic and shipment price going. Making design elements. Powder coating brings an array of challenges that need to be factored in when you are deploying a custom masking solution. A few of the design factors our engineers work with you on include overseasing and sizing for optimal sealing, material selection based on processes, oven temp duration,